Hadian ka kanday tirig unay wing katanad election jong kamigalaya kan sabot Bathymmai kin realtily ki security feature ken topru ya hologram haka epic bakan sa sam siya kinong tap vote ki badang supinrong kerteng Bathymmai haka electoral roll. Haba pentip ya kaniya uba Frederick Roy Karkongor uba de Chief Electoral Officer kamigalaya ula ong ba haka ni ka epic Bathymmai kabala ay Jingkylla da ki election commission kandonya katu ni ki high security feature ki ban Pynmih pair bat ka epic kabarim kintubru ya ka jingdon ya hologram ubalong uway na ki security balawan ra da ka election commission Jongkari India.
The new epic which has been approved by the Election Commission will have some high security features. There'll be some glitch patterns, and there'll be some more features which are embedded within the epic card, which will make it a slightly more secure card than it was before. And of course, in the look and the design and the appearance also, it will have some special features. So all states, including us, we will be launching this new cards. After the 9th of November, they will be getting these new cards.